Greetings, Chris Viola here with another edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog. This week we're finally taking a look at Google's MusicLM tool, which purports to create music based on the AI quote-unquote tools, large language models that like ChatGPT and Google's own Bard. We said we were going to do this last week, but then it turned out that you couldn't just get in, and Google put me on a waiting list. But fortunately, we are done waiting, so let's give it a try and see what this comes up with. Here's the opening screen, and here are some suggestions from Google LM. A melodic rock tune that is slow tempo. Let's start silly. Let's start with something fairly straightforward, and then we'll see where it goes from there. Let's say music for a Web3 tech blog. I always think these music large language models. Well, that was terrible and annoying. Let's try track 2. That's really horrible. So let's try intro music. Maybe we were too complicated. Intro music for a tech vlog. Let's try that. Well, that's all really bad, so let's see if we can maybe just intro music for a vlog to see if it's less confused. Well, that at least sounded like music. The other sounded like crappy MIDI experiments. That was at least somewhat interesting. Let's see if track 2 is any better. I feel like we're getting somewhere a little bit here. Let's try adding upbeat. That feels more MIDI-ish again. Not completely horrible, but not good. Let's see if musical styles will change this. Let's try ska. Well, at least it's ska. Well, those were at least two doable ones there. So let's give that one a trophy. I mean, at least it was ska. So, and finally, I know we're at the 5-minute mark here, so let's try one funny thing. Let's try ska version of Rhapsody in Blue. And see what it makes out of that. Well, that was not very Rhapsody in Blue, so I guess to play around with this some more. It has some interesting components to it, but again, with like a lot of these things, it's really guess and check to see if your prompts will get anything resembling what you want out of it. That's it for this week. Fiola out.